If you only have one source of income, you're more fragile than you think. Because the fastest way to fall behind financially that is to rely on a single stream that you don't control. And in today's economy, that's a risk most people are taking without realizing it. The goal isn't just to make more money, the goal is to become financially unkillable. And that comes down to one thing: building a system, not random side hustles, not guessing, not chasing trends, a simple structure that makes your income stable, scalable, and growing. There are 3 types of income you need. Miss one, and your entire system becomes weaker. Get all 3, and everything starts to compound. Let's break it down. The first income stream is cash flow. This is your active income. Your job, your business, your primary way of making money right now. This is where most people stop. And that's the problem, because cash flow is tied to your time. If you stop working, it stops. So the goal here isn't just to earn, it's to maximize, increase your skills, increase your value, increase your income, because this is the fuel for everything else. Without strong cash flow, you can't build the other 2. But cash flow alone will never make you rich. It just keeps you in the game. The second income stream is asset income. This is where things start to change. Assets are things that grow and pay you: stocks, real estate, businesses, digital products. These are things that can make money without your constant effort. This is where your money starts working for you, instead of you working for money. And this is the transition most people never make. They earn, they spend, they maybe save, but they don't acquire enough assets, so they stay stuck. The goal here is simple: take your cash flow and convert it into assets over and over again. That's how wealth builds. Now, the third income stream is leverage. And this is the one most people completely ignore. Leverage is how you scale. It's how you go from making money to multiplying money. Leverage comes in different forms: technology, media, people. Today, AI is a massive form of leverage. It allows one person to do what used to require a team. That means you can create more, faster, with less effort. That's powerful. But leverage only works if you already have something to scale. That's why the order matters. Cash flow gives you fuel. Assets give you growth. Leverage gives you scale. Put all 3 together and you have a system. Remove one and everything slows down. Now here's where it gets real. Most people are stuck in the first layer. They focus only on earning. Maybe they save a little. But they never build assets consistently. And they never use leverage. So their progress is linear, slow, predictable, limited. But when you combine all 3, your progress becomes exponential, because now your income funds assets. Your assets generate more income, and leverage multiplies both. That's how people accelerate. And this is why 2 people with the same salary end up in completely different financial positions. One saves, the other builds a system. Now let's connect this to where you are. If you're early, focus on increasing your cash flow. If you've started earning more, start converting that into assets. And once you have something working, use leverage to scale it. You don't need to do everything at once. You just need to start building in the right direction. Because once the system is in place, everything gets easier. Money grows faster, opportunities increase, stress goes down. That's the real goal. Not just making money, but building something that works, even when you don't. And in a world where jobs are changing, AI is evolving, and nothing feels stable. This system gives you control. So if you've been relying on one income stream, this is your signal to change that. Start building your system. Because the people who win long-term aren't the ones who work the hardest. They're the ones who build the smartest.